Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this makeup look. I've been using my JUVIA'S Masquerade palette. This is one of my favourites because the colours are so pigmented and it's got a really nice selection of colours, so I really recommend this one. And if you keep watching, I will show you which colours I've used and everything to, again, as I said, recreate this look. I really hope that you enjoy this. If you do like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe. It really does help, and I thank you so much to everyone who has done so already. It really means a lot to me and I do appreciate it. So, I'm not going to talk anymore, I'm going to begin my makeup tutorial. I've already done my foundation and my brows, so I'm just going to take some tape and apply that under my eyes. Taking my Morphe E13 brush and the JUVIA'S Masquerade mini palette, I'm going to go in with Burkina, is that how you say it? I'm going to apply that quite far out, so all over the lid, and because you've got the tape there, it doesn't matter if you're a bit messy and you go to the right to the edge, that's fine. But make sure that you don't go too much higher than the crease, so keep it quite low and then blend it outwards. Now I'm taking my H&M crease blending brush and I'm going to go in with Ada, which is just such a nice rusty red sort of tone. This time you are going to just apply that over top and mainly go over your lid, so don't go quite as far out as you did before. Yeah, just really pack that colour on to your lid and go a little bit up to the crease. So you are still exaggerating this and making it dramatic, but just because we want to make it look gradual, don't take it, like I said, as far out as you did with the other colour. I'm just going to take the large Morphe blending brush again and just smooth that out. Next up, taking my concealer, I'm using my Wake Me Up Rimmel concealer. I'm going to begin with the cut crease, so I'm using my Morphe Y21 brush and taking some of the concealer. You are going to apply that just to the sort of inner corner of your eye. And then go sort of about halfway. What the concealer does is it just creates a nice blank canvas for you to apply a pop of colour onto, which is what I'm going to do in a minute. Now, using the same brush, I'm going to go in with Cairo, and you will apply that to the bit that you have just done. Now that I've done the cut crease, I'm just going to add a bit more definition, so I'm going to go in with my MAC pencil brush and the shade Calabar, I think. I would have liked to have picked a really deep dark colour, but they don't have any sort of deep brown colours, so this is just going to have to do. And you're just going to apply that to the outer corner and then let it meet where you've just applied the crease colour, and then just build it up. And then, because blending is so important, you are just going to gently blend that. Now I'm going to apply my liner, and I'm using my Maybelline Master Ink liner in charcoal black. And I'm going to remove the tape. You just want to touch up some of that liner. If it's not gone exactly how you want it to, you can do that after removing the tape. Okay, so for a bit of a twist in this makeup look, I am going to go in with Chai. I'm still not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. And just any kind of sort of flat brush, you're going to take that and apply it to your lower lash line. So I really wasn't planning on doing a bold pop of colour like this, but I just really felt like it. And taking a clean blending brush, you are just going to blend that out. I also would quite like to define the inner corner of my eye, so I'm going to take this colour, which is Giza, I don't know how you say that, Giza. I'm also going to apply this just under my brow as well. Now moving on to my mascara, I'm using my Sumptuous Extreme Volume Mascara by Estee Lauder. I'm now going to take my Isla Enchanted lashes. So now I've applied the lashes, all that's left to do is to do my highlight and my bronzer. I'm going to be taking a powder brush, this is my Real Techniques powder brush, and my Rimmel sculpting palette, and I'm using the contour, and I'm just going to apply that in a downward motion. And then I'm going to just bring that up a little bit more. I'm not going to do too much on my forehead, but just with the excess on the brush, take it up there. Lastly, I'm going to move on to my highlighter. So I'm using the Revolution Strobe highlighter. I've just got this one, so I'm quite new to it, but I am loving it so far. And I'm just going to take my Primark fan brush and apply that to my cheekbones. Okay, so I said that was the last bit, but I forgot about lips. I'm going to use my New Look Super Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mocha. I've been using this one quite a lot recently. I just think it looks really nice for dramatic makeup looks. So there we go, that is the finished makeup look. I used completely my Juvia's Place mini Masquerade palette. I didn't use any other colours from any other palettes. I just really like that feeling when you use one palette and you can use everything in there to create makeup look. So I really hope that you like this look. I really do recommend the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. It has some really gorgeous tones in there, especially if you want to do sort of like rusty red colours. It's really great for that. So this one was a little bit more of a dramatic, arty makeup look. You might want to try this for parties or just to practice yourselves. I don't know when you might want to wear this, but something you can try, and I hope that my tutorial has been helpful for you. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. It's really nice when I hear from you guys. It's lovely to have some feedback from you, and also if you've got any ideas for future videos, then let me know again in the comments and I will take them into consideration. So that's all from me for now. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.